Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So user generated content, which is UGC, talking head videos are some of the highest performing formats today. With OpenArt, you can create realistic AI people speaking on camera, perfect for ads, TikTok, and content creation. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to create realistic UGC talking heads using OpenArt in 2026, the smart creator workflow. Okay, so first thing, define your UGC character. So start with a clear persona, like choose age, gender, style, casual, business, influencer, background like room, office, street, tone like friendly, okay, energetic. So UGC works best when it feels natural, not AI. Okay, so for example, young woman, natural lighting, smartphone selfie style, okay, casual outfit, friendly vibe. So you can, for example, create these details, okay, for your character. So generate a realistic face in OpenArt. Okay, so open OpenArt image generator, use a hyper realistic prompts. Okay, so for example, realistic selfie, iPhone camera, natural skin texture, soft lightning, slight imperfections, vlog style. Okay, so for example, like this, generate multiple versions and pick the most natural looking one and avoid perfect AI faces, okay, because realism equals imperfection. Okay, so create short video clips. So use OpenArt video generator, okay, animate your character that you had just created, and that's it, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.